I just wanted to tell you about our new product. It's a new anti-dyeing absorbent sheets that you throw in the washer, and they keep the color in your clothing. So no more going out and buying new clothes for Christmas or New Year's and giving to your loved ones and worrying about the fading on the first wash, which would take a lot of stress from moms during the holiday when they're getting their kids new clothes or their loved ones new clothes, and they don't have to worry about the new colors fading. It's color safe, and you only have to use one or two, and they're on sale right now for $3.99 each. So I hope to see you looking on my site to get them. I'm gonna grab some, I know that. I have grabbed a couple before and I absolutely love them. A few other people that I know, a couple of my friends, they absolutely love them.